Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on unpairing Bluetooth devices on Mac. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by clicking the Apple logo in the top left corner. Choose System Preferences from the menu that appears. In System Preferences, choose Bluetooth. Hover over the Bluetooth device that you would like to unpair from your Mac. Click the X that appears to the right of the device. Select Remove on the pop-up that appears. That Bluetooth device has now been unpaired from your Mac. In order to use it again, you will have to pair it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.